DJI is a name synonymous with drones, cinematic stabilization, and high-tech imaging gear. But now, the brand might be gearing up for something even bigger, its first leap into the mirrorless camera world. Though DJI hasn't officially confirmed anything yet, the tech community is buzzing with rumors about a full-frame mirrorless camera in the works. And if even a fraction of the leaked features turn out to be true, this could mark one of the most exciting developments in the camera space in recent years. Imagine combining DJI's unrivaled stabilization know-how with the imaging brilliance of a high-end camera system. That's exactly what's being hinted at. From 4D stabilization and AI-powered processing to modular design and intuitive controls, the potential here is massive. If DJI enters this space, it won't just be a new player. It might completely shift the game. Here's everything we know so far about this intriguing upcoming release. At the heart of the rumored DJI mirrorless camera is a full-frame sensor, a huge step forward that would place it in the same league as well-established industry leaders. Full-frame sensors offer better light gathering, more natural depth of field, and enhanced image quality, particularly in challenging lighting conditions. They're the gold standard for professional creators, and DJI stepping into this territory is a clear sign of serious intent. A major talking point is the rumored collaboration with Hasselblad, the legendary imaging company known for its incredible color science. DJI and Hasselblad have already worked together on drones, so carrying that partnership into the mirrorless space seems like a natural next step. If this happens, we can expect beautiful, true-to-life color straight out of the camera, which would be a huge win for photographers and videographers alike. There's speculation that the sensor might be around 24 megapixels, an ideal sweet spot for many creators. It offers enough resolution for highly detailed shots without overloading users with massive file sizes. But what really sets this camera apart is the potential for AI-powered features. Imagine shooting a photo and having the camera automatically apply real-time HDR bracketing or upscale images up to 96 megapixels with AI precision. This kind of onboard intelligence could dramatically streamline the creative process while maintaining professional-grade output. Then there's the video side, where DJI is expected to bring its A-game. The rumored specs include 4K video recording at 120 frames per second, perfect for silky smooth slow-motion sequences. But what's even more exciting is the rumored inclusion of 4D stabilization. Building on what DJI introduced with the Ronin 4D system, this technology could go beyond standard IBIS, in-body image stabilization, by correcting movement across additional axes. This means smoother footage even when you're walking, running, or filming handheld in challenging conditions. For content creators, this could reduce or even eliminate the need for external gimbals, especially when paired with digital stabilization, which DJI already uses effectively in its Osmo Action lineup. It's a powerful combination that could revolutionize how people shoot handheld video. Design-wise, DJI may take a minimalist and modular approach. Rumors suggest a clean, Scandinavian-inspired aesthetic and a body that allows users to attach or detach components as needed. This kind of flexibility is appealing to professionals who need to adapt their gear to different situations. And it's also great for hobbyists looking to scale up over time. There's even word of an asymmetrical grip inspired by the Ronin 4D, designed to reduce wrist fatigue during long shoots. Another standout feature might be an intuitive, Android-based menu system similar to Hasselblad's interface. A clean UI makes a big difference, especially for users new to mirrorless systems. A fast, responsive, and simple menu experience can keep you in the creative flow without digging through settings. On the connectivity front, DJI is rumored to include wireless file transfer and built-in cloud storage support. For creators constantly on the move, being able to offload and share files instantly is a game changer. Add to that AI tools for subject recognition, scene analysis, and smart auto enhancements, and the camera starts to look like a creative assistant in your hands. There's also talk of a whopping 512 gigabytes of internal storage. That's rare for mirrorless cameras and would be an incredible asset for those working in the field or filming long sessions without swapping cards. As for lenses, the camera may support the L-mount system, a move that would give users immediate access to a wide range of high-quality glass from Leica, Panasonic, and Sigma. But DJI might not stop there. There are hints that it could launch its own line of lenses, potentially in partnership with Hasselblad. These lenses could be specially tuned for the camera's sensor and image pipeline, resulting in exceptional clarity, focus accuracy, and performance. Other possible features include advanced eye and object tracking autofocus, 20 frames per second burst shooting, and intelligent subject detection for people, animals, or vehicles. Whether you're into action sports, wildlife, or portraiture, these features could help you capture the moment with perfect precision. So, what's the final word on the DJI Osmo Nano? In short, it delivers. This compact and intelligent little gimbal brings together everything a mobile content creator needs: stunning stabilization, clever shooting modes, and an intuitive app experience. It's lightweight enough to take anywhere and powerful enough to elevate your smartphone footage to new levels. Whether you're capturing travel memories, making daily vlogs, or just want your videos to look more polished, the Osmo Nano offers a real upgrade to your creative toolkit. DJI has once again proven that big things can come in small packages. The Osmo Nano doesn't just promise smoother video. It redefines what's possible with mobile filmmaking on the go. It's practical, it's powerful, and best of all, it fits right in your pocket. Thanks for watching Factic. If you found this review helpful, give it a like, drop your thoughts in the comments, and don't forget to subscribe for more real reviews and creative tech breakdowns. Until next time, keep creating, keep exploring, and stay inspired with Factic.